Hi everyone, this is Assistant Professor Deshmukh Madhuri and welcome to all in BioCell tutorials. Today I am going to focus on the family Malvaceae of BSc second year botany. Family Malvaceae. Let's start with the classification of Malvaceae. Here the division of the Malvaceae is Spermatophyta, means seed bearing and flowering plants. Subdivision Angiospermy, class Dicotyledons, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalmiflorae, order Malveals, family Malvaceae, and it includes about 88 genera and 2300 species of the family Malvaceae. The family Malvaceae consists of about 88 genera and 2000 to 2500 species, which are essentially cosmopolitan in distribution but best developed in the tropical areas. Habit: Malvaceae plants are herbs and shrubs, but rarely small trees also. The stem of these family plants is woody. Stem and leaves usually a set of satellite hair, frequently interspread with simple hairs, sometimes with glandular hairs or glabrescent. Stem is woody, erect, simple and branched. Leaves are simple, petiolate, ovate or orbicular, entire, lobed, part or variously dissected, serrate margin. Sometimes tip shows the acute and sometimes emarginate. Venation is reticulate, usually surface is hairy or glabrous. Inflorescence: flowers solitary and axillary or more often in compound cymose inflorescence. Flower is bisexual, showing pentamerous nature, usually large, showy and pedicellate. Bractate and ori is hypogynous. These are the parts of the hibiscus flowers. First picture shows the flower of hibiscus. Second picture shows some parts of the flower hibiscus, that is stem. Then the middle swollen part is ori. It is surrounded by calyx and epicalyx. Calyx is joined and it is also surrounded by the epicalyx. Petals are free and having attractive colors. Then stigma, style and ori are the parts of female gamete gynoecium, and the yellow powdery structure which set around the style, that is called as a anther, which is connected by filament. And the third slide shows the roots of the Malvaceae family. This is the all about the floral diagram structure of flower Hibiscus rosacenasis. Calyx. The first diagram shows the green colored part at the basal region, that is the calyx and epicalyx. Epicalyx is 3 to 16 or more also sometimes, free or connected, sometimes epicalyx absent. Calyx usually of 5 to 7 in number and sepals usually 5. Sepals are nothing but calyx. They are free or united basally, valvate estivation. Corolla is twisted. Complete flower. Petals usually 5, distinct or a basally fused to the androecium and dehiscence with its color. Now, this is the entire plant flower of the Hibiscus rosacenasis. Then the structure, yellowish structure, bean shaped yellowish structure shows the structure of anther. Then the green color shows the transfer section of ovary, and this one last is the lateral section of the flower. Let's discuss about the androecium. Androecium or stamen are numerous, monodelphous, attached to the base of the petal, surrounding the pistil, but apically distinct, the tube trunate or a toothed. Gynoecium, oris superior, that is all the floral parts are below the ovary. It shows the 3 or many locules or lobes, ovules 1 to many in each lobule. Axile placentation showed by the hibiscus plant. Style is long, passing through the staminal tube. Apically branched, stylar branches, terminating in stigmas as many as twice the number of the locules. Stigma usually capitate, rarely linear or discoid. Fruits. Fruits is a schizocarp or a capsule type consisting of 5 to many mericarps or a lobicidal capsule, and it may be one or many seeded structure. Let's discuss about the floral formula and floral diagram. Before discussing floral formula and diagram, let us discuss about the seeds. Seeds of the hibiscus flowers are non-endospermic or with oily endosperm surrounding the embryo. The floral formula here. Calyx showed by the letter K are 5. Corolla showed by the letter C 5. Androecium are numerous. Gynoecium is also numerous, and it is oris superior. Now let's start another plant of family Malvaceae which is included in your syllabus, that is Abutilon indicum. Its common name is pilibuti or monkey bush. This is the structure of flower and seed of monkey bush. Fruits of monkey bush, which is enclosed with seeds. This is the classification kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. Division Spermatophyta. Order Rosales. Order Malvaceae. Order Malvaceae. Family Malvaceae. Genus Abutilum. And species Indicum. The chemistry of the Abutilum: beta-sitosterol is present in a indicum, and a petroleum ether extract has a larvicidal properties against the mosquito larvae. A methanol extract of Abutilum has some antimicrobial activities. Abutilum indicum has some traditional medicinal uses. It is used as an anti-inflammatory, antihelminthic, and it is also used in a leprosy, to treat the leprosy, ulcers, headache, gonorrhea, and the urinary bladder infection. The whole plant is uprooted, dried, and is getting powdered. In ancient days, it is used in a powdered form with a spoonful of honey once a day for 6 months until the day of marriage for safe and quick pregnancy.